banks they can be owned by individuals. SACCOs are also regulated by SASRA, and banks are regulated by Central Bank of Kenya. So that now makes them, they're financial service providers, but regulated by two different bodies. SASRA means SACCO Regulatory Authority. One of the factors that one should consider before joining a SACCO is how financially sound is that SACCO. Number two, is the SACCO regulated? Number three, what kind of returns will I get from the SACCO if I invest my money in that SACCO? How credible is it in terms of providing the financial services that it is doing? So those are key things you actually should consider first before you join a SACCO, because they help you now make sound decisions on where to put in your money. Now, if I give an example with ourselves, having been in existence for 49 years, we have proven over time that we are stable, we are financially sound, and we've served hundreds of thousands of members, transformed their lives positively, and helped them become financially independent. And having done that and been regulated by the SACCO Regulatory Authority, we have proven over time that we are credible and we are authentic, and that creates a lot of confidence to customers. For you to join us, the very simple way. In economically active Kenya, we embrace them 100%. And we look from the ones down there to the ones up there. We embrace all, as long as you're in any economic activity, whether you're in business, whether you're in farming, whether you're mama mboga, whether you're in schools or institutions, we embrace you. And for you to get or to join us, you only provide to us a photocopy of your ID and a photocopy of your KRA. Then we're able to work with you throughout the journey and help you and give you a lot of financial literacy to enable you become financially independent. The regulations that regulate us are the Cooperative Act, and again, the government has mandated the SACCO Regulatory Authority to supervise us and to ensure that members' funds are protected. So we are under the Ministry of Cooperative, but regulated by SACCO Regulatory Authority. We offer various products, both savings and credit products. We also offer investment products and insurance products. Some of our savings product we have a product called Jijenge. Jijenge is a product that encourages our members to save. And once they save, they can get up to 5 times of what they have saved with us. The money that they have saved with us also gives them an interest every year of up to 9%. Now, helping our members ensure that as they save, their money is working for them because it's giving them a return. And when it comes to a position where they want to borrow, they can also access credit facilities through the same money. So that is one for Jijenge. We also have asset finance. We have customers who want to be economically empowered through buying assets or buying vehicles, for example. And we offer them up to 80%. We finance up to 80% of the asset they desire to get. And that's something we've seen our customers actually empowered, especially some are actually doing taxis, tuk-tuks, motorbikes. Others are buying assets to do with that will add value to their farming. So those are things we have really embraced and enabled our members get. We also have chamas or microfinance loans on savings products, which enables groups that want to be empowered in terms of buying perhaps property or economically empowering them in their various businesses. So we encourage people to come together, we provide financial literacy to them and enable them to save and to borrow, and that really helps them to become better people. We also have what we call, especially for business people, we give unsecured loans of up to 500,000. and that enables them to get cash flows for their businesses. One of the things that is totally unique with us is that you don't have to have a guarantor for this. You come, you save with us, and you can get up to $500,000 unsecured. That has seen most business people, especially in the areas that we are operating, being empowered, and they're able to get access to money that helps them in their cash flow in their businesses. And we've seen a lot of lives being transformed in what we've been doing for them through this product. We've also empowered a lot of agribusiness. We have agribusiness loans, which also get to that level of you can get up to $500,000 unsecured, where we empower dairy farmers, tea farmers. We also encourage coffee farmers. We also finance horticulture. And this enables farmers to be financially independent or to get capital to finance their farming activities. And this changes their lives in a very big perspective. We have an insurance agency which has operated with us for over 20 years. And this has enabled our members to also access insurance services directly from us. We insure their loans, we insure their vehicles, we insure their cattle if they have livestock, we insure their crops when they're doing agriculture, especially the ones doing agribusiness. And this has enabled them to feel a little bit secure when they're working with us, where they can come into our banking hall or come to our space, and we're able to offer different solutions under one roof: saving solutions, credit, insurance, and investment solutions. This enables our members to remain loyal to us, and we encourage many other members to come and join us and get the same kind of experience. We have embraced technology, and this has enabled our members access their funds at their own convenience without necessarily walking to any of our banking halls. Our Unicash app has enabled our members to access their money in terms of withdrawing their money from their SACCO account to their mobile phone, and they're able to transact and do their businesses at their own convenience at whichever place they are. Secondly, our Unicash app enables them to transfer money from their SACCO account to a bank account, to any commercial bank. This has helped them move away from doing checks, especially when they're paying suppliers. They have bought goods somewhere and they intend to pay a supplier money. They can now directly from their phones pay the supplier from their SACCO account directly to the bank account. And this has created a lot of convenience, because when they embrace the traditional way of doing it, perhaps by writing checks or walking to a banking hall and withdrawing money, this has been a more secure way of transferring funds to their suppliers and getting the goods that they need to for their businesses. Another key component that our app is doing right now, you can also be able to transfer now. If you have a bank account, you can transfer money from your bank account to your SACCO account right here using our mobile app. This has enabled our members now to transfer funds seamlessly and in the most easiest and convenient way as compared to traditional way of doing it. Also enabling them to have ATM cards, where they can also use their cards to withdraw money or do any kinds of payments, whether they're paying for goods in a supermarket, whether they're paying fuel for their vehicles. That card enables them to do all those kinds of transactions. So we also have over 150 agents we've put in every space, mashinani, huko ndani, to enable our members access their money without walking to the banking halls. So those are the key components, and soon we are introducing the mobile lending platform, where members can now access loans through the same app.
You are watching TV47, the home of untold stories.
If Tekra was 100%, I used to just spray even 5% of her brain because she was so smart.
You to God, but you do your part, you fight justice.
Mystery of floating bodies in River Yala continues to deepen after 7 more bodies were retrieved from the river.
Nobody had that right to take that life.
It's a bad feeling. Terrible.
When we got to court, we noticed a lot of surveillance on our team.
Nikiwafikiria ama nione picha zao, mimi nalianga usiku mzima. Hata kama vijana wangu watarudi, lakini sitawasahau.
This is the last door.
You are watching TV 47, the home of untold stories.
Once you become our member, we encourage a saving culture that helps you understand that I'm saving so that at a certain point I'm in need, I will desire to borrow. And once they save with us, we enable them now to borrow. And one of the things we do is a lot of financial literacy as they do that, and a lot of mentorship in their own businesses, so that these people, when they're borrowing, they're actually going to borrow money to enable them generate more money. So we put a lot of emphasis on member education to enable our members to know that the monies that they're going to borrow is actually geared towards helping them or enabling them to get more money or create more money through their income generating activities. So that by the time they borrow, maybe in 3 to 6 months, this customer is totally empowered, and we have understood their businesses, we have understood what they need, we have trained them on how they're going to actually not use the money in the wrong way, and that has, as a requirement, helps them now become more credit worthy. We do appraisals, we appraise the client, we advise them as financial advisors, and once they take the facility, it enables them to generate more money through their income generating activities. Our loans are dependent on amounts. There are loans you can get in 1 hour, there are loans you can get in 1 day, there are loans you can get in 2 days, there are loans you can get in 3 days. We are very efficient in ensuring that our clients get the money when they need it, because we also understand that when a business person or anyone who is coming for a credit facility has a need for that money, that may require us to be very efficient, especially when we come to lending to them. So we ensure that we remain within our service charter, we give our clients money when they need it, and we have a lead time of at least 3 days. However, depending on the amount, you can also access in 1 day. I had mentioned our deposit return rate is up to 9%, where you save, your money works for you. We also give a dividend payment for those who buy shares. Our share goes for 300 shillings per share. We do a minimum of 5 shares worth 1,500 shillings. So this, and we also encourage our members to add more shares every day, so that they can get a dividend payout of at least 11% per annum. So when you take the 9% return and the 11%, that's a good return to our members as far as returns are concerned in what they have invested with us. Our interest rate goes from 12% to 14% on reducing balance. And we are very flexible, they are affordable, and we have seen our clients really get a very good experience as far as our pricing of our products is concerned. Our repayments are basically, we have loan facilities or loan products that do 3 months, others 6 months, others 1 month. However, our loan repayment period goes to a maximum of 84 months. We don't have a minimum, but we always encourage them to put as much as they can. Times you go, at least you tell them to at least 200 shillings a month or a week. But we don't put a maximum, because we encourage them every day to put as much as they can, because the returns will always come back to them. As they put in their money, we have very attractive interests, returns to them when it comes to the end of the year. Our confidence lies on the number of years we've been in service. That by itself tells you we have proven over time that we are financially sound, and we've empowered thousands, hundreds of thousands of members through the 49 years we have been there in existence. Number two, we are also regulated by a body called SACCOs Regulatory Authority. And that affirms to our customers that we are a deposit-taking SACCO that is regulated and supervised by the government. That gives them confidence on the monies that they are giving us, on the monies that they're investing with us, and that enables them to come back to us. And having served these members, we have given them a good customer experience, which makes them come back to us and speak good things about what we have done for them. That creates now that level of confidence created by the people we are serving, who go out and talk about us, and also the development projects we have done within the 5 counties I've just mentioned. Some of the things we've done for our key clients is that when you look at the dairy societies in Kiambu, for example, Fresha, Dumberi, Kabete Dairy, Kikuyu Dairy, Limuru Dairy, Kiamba, all these dairies, we have empowered them by giving them financial services that has enabled them to buy coolers, vehicles, machines that are enabling them to process milk that the farmers they're buying from the farmers, and to do what we call value addition. We've empowered majority here in Kiambu. We've also empowered our clients in various ways in terms of big and small projects, some small. We've seen them grow, and we have received so many testimonials in the same process because of people being empowered, because our agenda in doing all this is to ensure that we transform our members positively. So our main thing, or what I can say, our core business is to enable people to save and to borrow. And when in the process of doing that, we generate income from the loans that they are borrowing and repaying, and that helps us get income. As a SACCO, we also make money. Like now, the building we are seated in is one of our buildings, so we also have rental income. We have 6 buildings here in Kiambu. One here, the one we are in Limuru, Wangige, Kireita, Githunguri. All these are our buildings. So we also generate rental income through the same. And we also have our MAPA Insurance Agency, which also enables us to create income by insuring our members. So we also get incomes from that. Now, when we combine all that, we give back to our customers in terms of dividends to our members through the profits that we make. We give back to the members, and that's why I mentioned we are a member-owned SACCO. So we generate income through savings and credit, property and insurance. Then at the end of the year, we give back part of the profits back to our members in form of dividends. Yeah. Actually, in lending, you always get a few of us or a few of our clients defaulting. So one of the things we do is do a lot of, we talk with the clients. We try to understand what they're doing, and we come up with a flexible repayment plan to enable them to repay their loans, because some will talk about either their business, something happened. So we are very deliberate in trying to sit with the same client, listening to them, and enabling them to work with us and coming up with a clear repayment plan to rejuvenate what they were doing in terms of business to ensure that these loans are paid. Because at the end of the day, these monies that we give out are members' money. and we have a mandate of ensuring that all our members' funds are safe and people are able to borrow and repay their loans. And that's why I'd mentioned in the beginning, before we give you a facility, we do a lot of mentorship, we do a lot of financial literacy to help you understand that the money you are actually borrowing is to help you generate more money. And it's meant for income generating activities, not for other activities. So once the client is borrowing, by the time the client is borrowing, they already have that in mind, so that they don't divert the money to other roles or other purposes. Because when you see now clients diverting money, that now affects their repayment. So we do a lot of mentorship, continuous membership education to enable our members understand that whatever they are borrowing, they have to repay, and there are consequences of not repaying. But it's one of the challenges we face is dealing with a number of our customers who are either in business or in agribusiness. Issues to do with, especially now, the economy can affect their businesses in one way or another. The weather, if they're in agribusiness, this now affects their saving culture. It also affects how they also repay their loans. So those are the challenges at times we go through in terms of now trying to address what the macro environment is bringing to us, and also enable the client who is saving and borrowing with us to be in a position to continue saving, and the one who has borrowed to continue paying despite the issues that may be happening, by having a conversation with them. Our SACCO stands out because, number one, we provide financial services to all. And number two, you don't have to have a guarantor. As compared to many other SACCOs, you don't have to have a guarantor if you're borrowing with us. That helps us stand out a lot. We also provide affordable, accessible, and innovative products. And we also do a lot of personal banking services where we work with our clients and do a lot of relationship marketing so that our people or our customers remain with us as a preferred financial service partner, even as they give referrals. My final part in short is I would encourage every customer that K-Unity has proven over time that it is financially sound, and we are willing to serve every other customer who is economically empowered in whichever sector. We want to remain the preferred financial service partner, providing affordable, accessible, and innovative products or financial solutions to all our customers. You can reach out to us through our website at www.k-unity.co.ke, and you'll get more information about us. You can also reach us through our Facebook